Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a pop-up in Elementor. First, access your WordPress dashboard and find Templates, then Pop-ups. Click Add New Pop-up and assign a clear name to your new template. Elementor offers more than 100 pre-designed templates, or you can begin with a blank canvas to build your unique design from the ground up. This initial step sets the foundation for your interactive website element. Once your template is ready, it's time to design the content. The Elementor editor provides a visual drag-and-drop interface. You can easily add various widgets such as text, images, or contact forms. Customize the layout, choose your preferred colors, select fonts, and set a background to perfectly match your website's aesthetic. This ensures your pop-up is both engaging and on-brand. After designing, you'll set the display conditions and triggers. Conditions determine where your pop-up will appear, such as on the entire site, specific pages, or posts. Triggers dictate when it shows, offering options like appearing after a few seconds on page load, when a user scrolls down a certain percentage, or even when they show exit intent. You have precise control over its visibility. Finally, explore advanced rules for even more refined control. You can set conditions like showing the pop-up after a certain number of page views, after multiple sessions, or only on specific devices like desktop or mobile. Once all settings are configured to your satisfaction, simply click the Publish button. Your new Elementor pop-up will then be live and ready to engage your website visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.